Watch the forklift on your left.
Copy that. Bringing it around now.
Weight confirmed. Proceed to Bay 3.
All right, driver, keep it moving. Bay 3.
With synchronized precision, the hydraulic diverters separate the streams, ensuring only industrial tires reach the primary shredder.
Successive grinding equipment further reduces rubber fragments into uniform particles. VASA vibrating screw.
The separation efficiency is remarkable today.
Yes, the purity of the recovered steel is excellent.
Recovered steel accumulates in massive containers ready for shipment. Forklifts transport the full bins while weighing systems document output volumes.
The flow here looks consistent, but let's check the automated sensor readings on deck 3.
Confirmed. All green across the board.
Check the flow rate on chamber 3.
Steady at 20 kilograms per minute.
Crumb rubber combines with hot bitumen inside powerful mixing reactors. Massive agitator churn.
Advanced high-shear mixers break down the rubber particles, integrating them completely into the asphalt binder for a stronger, more sustainable material.
Moisture levels are stable. I'm updating the log now. Keep the flow steady.
The rubberized binder circulates through holding tanks where properties stabilize before final use. Pumps move material continuously through insulated loops.
As you can see, the stress test results confirm high performance. We are cleared for distribution.
Temperature in silo 4 is holding steady at 300.
Good. Keep the flow rate consistent as shown here.
We have the weight confirmed. All right, pull forward slowly.
All right, dispatch, we're approaching the site. ETA confirmed for 00800.
Reroute truck 47 to the north access road. Confirm with the driver.
All right, bring the paver up slowly. Watch the left side, keep it steady. We got a good flow on the left side. Okay, move us forward slowly.
The compaction is perfect right here.
Yes, the density looks excellent. We are meeting the specifications.
Más material aquí. Sigue derecho, espacio. Alinea la orilla.
The surface roughness is well within tolerance here.
And the thickness metrics look consistent across the profile.
All right, team, let's get those barriers cleared by the north end and make sure those cables are properly secured before we roll out.
A testament to the circular economy, this highway transforms yesterday's waste into tomorrow's vital infrastructure.